Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout for any Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Display and Brightness. Here you can see Screen Timeout. Click on this. From here, you can set your screen timeout depend on your needs. That's it. So this is how to change the screen timeout for any Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.